Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ATRS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very solid move. I can't imagine anybody sitting around saying, no, today wasn't a good move. Everybody would agree, good move. But that does lead to the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level. And that's why I love charts. It makes things quite straightforward. And that level is right here at the $2 mark. Why is $2 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $2. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, not saying it will, but let's just pretend, pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's what truly strong moves do, right? They make progress in the upwards direction as time goes by. Now, ideally speaking, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? If the price can stay up above that pink line there, which is the 200 period simple moving average, that would be a best case scenario. But in the event the price does drop below it, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, because the price would still technically have an opportunity to make progress, quote unquote, at that $2 mark. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this price movement is going to continue upwards, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? As you can see, I'm having to zoom up the chart here a little bit. Good problem to have. So next key overall area of resistance, looking like it was probably right where the price rejected from today, up there at about the $2.23 mark, and that makes perfect sense. Why do I say that makes perfect sense? Well, there's a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of support are broken, they tend to act as resistance. So you can see right here, quite a bit of history with that level acting as support. But when the support was broken right there, like I said, that's when they tend to act as resistance. And that's exactly what's happening today. So not saying that this 222 area can't be broken, just saying that it makes sense with why the bulls are currently struggling there. So 222, 223 going forward, definitely public enemy number one, but no doubt about it, very nice day today. So it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.